Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you 3 simple methods of creating layers on your chapatis. Once your dough has set for at least an hour, take a huge chunk of it, roll it flat and apply your oil as shown here. Ensure it's evenly spread. Then you can cut it into a bit larger pieces, tiny but not so tiny, as shown here. Then you roll it, roll it, roll it. You keep rolling, then you tuck it on both sides, like this. You roll, 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 you tuck it on both sides. You roll, roll it, and then you tuck it on both sides. Roll, 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 then tuck it both sides. Roll, 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 then you tuck it both sides. Method 2, these are a bit smaller in size. Make them round, set them aside. So apply your surface with flour so that your dough does not get stuck on it. Then roll it as shown here. Don't worry about the shape. Apply your oil evenly, like this. Then make a cut and then take it round as a cone, like this. Then you tuck it both sides. Apply flour, roll it until you're happy with your shape. Apply your oil. Make a cut, then take it round and round and round and round. You see, it looks something like a cone. And then you tuck it on both sides. Method 2, final example. Roll your dough. Once you're happy with this shape and size, apply your oil, take it round, cut it, and then go round, 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 and round, and round as shown here. Then you tuck it on both sides like this. Final method, roll your dough round, apply your oil. Remember, more oil makes it softer, but not too much oil. Cut it into tiny pieces, then piece it up together like this. Then you roll it and tuck on both sides. These are just fun names pieced together. So you roll it, Once you're happy, you apply your oil. Then you cut it into very small, tiny pieces, like this. And then you piece them back together, like that. And then you roll it and tuck on both sides. Last example. Yeah, keep rolling. Once you're happy with the shape, apply your oil. You see, just a little oil. Apply evenly until all areas are covered. Then cut it into fine, small pieces. And then you piece it back together. And you roll it and roll it and roll it like this. Then you tuck on both sides. Now you start rolling, ready to fry them. You roll. Remember, the shape is not important. What's key here is soft layered chapatis. So normally I like to roll and set them all aside, at least most of them, so that when I start frying I just keep going. So roll it. Roll along each side. So you roll one side like this, then you turn it to the next side. You keep alternating. so that it's almost round. You roll it and turn it, roll and turn, roll and turn, keep alternating. Once you're happy, you set it aside, roll another one, roll along each side. So roll and turn, keep turning, and then roll, then turn the other side, roll, roll, as you keep turning. In the meantime, ensure your frying pan is getting hot. So place the first one on the pan. You wait until it forms air bubbles, then you turn it. As the other side is cooking, apply your oil, and then you turn the other side. Keep pressing until you are confident that it is now ready, well cooked. You put it aside. So let it cook until there are air bubbles, then you turn it. Once the other side is cooking, you apply your oil. This is an example of how to cook one chapati at a time. When the other side is burning, you apply your oil, and then you keep turning to ensure it's all well cooked. You can see the air bubbles. Yeah. So you turn it, you apply your oil. By the time you're turning the other side will have cooked. So it's well cooked, you put it aside. How to cook 3 chapatis all at once. So you put it on the pan, you ensure the air bubbles come out. You turn it, you add another one. Try and roll them to be almost of the same size so that one is not overlapping the other. Then you turn it. You see the air bubbles? Then you turn it and cook the other side. So with this method, you have to ensure that all the other sides are all cooked without the oil. So once all the other sides are cooked, you apply your oil. You keep turning so that the other sides can absorb the excess oil. The beauty with this method is that there is no excess oil because the other chapati keep absorbing the excess oil. So you keep turning, ensure all the sides are oiled and fried as you remove one by one after it's been well cooked. Here is how you cook 5 chapatis all at once. So you keep adding them. Once the air bubble comes out, you add the uncooked one. You keep turning, ensure all the 10 sides are well. I mean, they are all they've all been fried, not with the oil, but you get like they are all cooked a little without the oil. You keep turning, you keep turning. So once they are all cooked, here is when you start applying your oil. As you turn them and keep cooking, ensure all the 10 sides end up getting oil and facing the other side of the pan so that they can fry like that. Once cooked and has oil, you keep removing. So you remove until eventually they are all oiled and cooked. And there you have it. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you.